Hello everyone, today we will see how to configure a self-hosted runner in GitHub Actions. So firstly we will connect our EC2 instance on our terminal. Already I have launched one instance. Let's connect it. Its name is action. Let's connect it via SSH client. Let's go in terminal. Let's increase the font size. Downloads. Now we will go to the repo where we have to configure our self-hosted runner. So yeah, this is the repo where I have to configure and self-hosted runner. So we'll go in settings, settings, actions, then runner, new self-hosted runner. Our EC2 instances of Linux architecture is x64. Let's copy these commands and run it into the terminal. Let's copy another command. It's running. Let's copy another one. We have to just copy this all commands and run it to a terminal of EC2 instance which we have connected via SSH client. Now we will configure our runner. Authentication has been done. We will keep all the things as default only. The runner will have the following labels as a self-hosted Linux or x64. Runner is successfully added. The workflow name will be, we will save everything as a default only. Let's do this. So yeah, our EC2 instance is connected to the GitHub as a self-hosted runner, and we can see it is listening for a job. So our setup is done. So let's write an GitHub action workflow. So whenever we will write an GitHub action workflow, we have to write runs on self-hosted. Self-hosted is a label of our self-hosted runner. So let's go and write an action file, that is a YAML file or a workflow YAML. Let's create new workflow. We will create a simple workflow. We'll configure. We will make some changes in this, like the workflow name will be CI. It will be trigger when the push will be happen on the main branch. We will just write the workflow to trigger when a push will happen on the main branch. Let's select job details and all. Our job name is build. So here we have to make a change like self-hosted runner. So let's keep everything as same as it is. So now we will commit changes. We will rename it as demo. Let's create demo.ml. Let's commit the changes. Yeah. So the action file is present in github workflows folder. Here it is our YAML file. Let's go in actions. So we can see our workflow is running. So our workflow is completed. Now let's go in terminal. Running job build completed with result succeed. So our workflow is run on a self-hosted runner. We can see a running job build completed with result succeed. So let's see the output here. So output is what we have written, run echo, run multiple. So yeah, thank you.